Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Infra and XD. This video can be useful for the high school students or the college students from the engineering background who want to build their lab environment in the networking. So we are going to start our first lab with a small home network where we'll build a small switch. We'll add a small switch and the two machines. It can be used by two of the family members, and we'll show that the two family members, one has the IP address of 192.168.10.20 and another one has the IP address of 192.168.10.10. One can be laptop, other can be the home computer, and they can talk to each other using this small device, which you can call it switch in our case, and you can add hub or any other device. So let's stick to this and let's get to the next page. This is the page. What I'm going to show it is related to the simulator. This is for this I took it from the Cisco packet tracer. We are going to do the same thing. We'll add one switch of our home, where I just shown you in the previous slide that the switch at the center and the two of the machine, one is the laptop and other is the computer, has the same IP as what I shown earlier, 192.168.10.20 and 192.168.10.10 at the other side. Let's get into the next page where we have the simulator. We are going to do the testing and we will see the live demo where the packets are getting flowed all the way from the computer or from the switch to the end machines. And let's begin the actual lab in Cisco Packet Tracer. When I start this session, I assume most of you already installed the Cisco Packet Tracer, and this Cisco Packet Tracer, once you open it, let's build the network. What I just shown it in the slides, actually in earlier discussion. Let me bring that slide once again. This is the slide where we want to add these three component, two machine and user machines. One is PC, another is laptop, and in between there is a switch. The other way, there is a switch sitting at the center and two of the machines, which is one side of it is the machine desktop and other side of it is the laptop. Maybe one brother is sitting in one room, other one family members sitting in another room, and the laptop, right? Let this set up in the simulator and let's try to reach each other, and with that we will get that in the simulator now. Let's click on the icon, the network at the left bottom side, and come to the switch section. Pull this little switch 2960, what it is written here, to the screen. Click on this end device icon on the left side. You will see the end devices where you'll find PC, which you can pull it on your left side, and laptop, which you can pull it on your right side. Now, these devices are not connected to the switch which I pulled it up. So now, to connect that, we have a little connection options here. Let me click this and choose this black color line, which actually is a straight through cable, which is the cable indicator connecting from PC to the switch. Let me connect on first fast Ethernet 0/1, and let me click this fast forward button, which I click, and this orange color, what you see it here, it will get green. So this indicates that I can start communicating now. Same thing I'll do again to connect my laptop to the switch, and once I connect my laptop to the switch, let me connect that fast Ethernet 0/2 laptop fast Ethernet 0. Now you guys may be wondering why I use the cable. No one uses cable nowadays. For that case, I will bring a Wi-Fi device in my next lab where a Wi-Fi device is talking with the another Wi-Fi device sitting at the home network. For now, we'll take the cable options. Again, this is showing the orange. If you leave it for some time, it will turn green. Otherwise, just click this fast forward button. It will take you to the green color. Now you see these guys, PC and the laptop, sitting at your home, do not have any IP address. For example, let's configure the IP for those end devices. I'm on PC0, which is my desktop. You can call it as a desktop. And let's set up the IP address. What is the IP I configured this side? 192.168.10.10. This was the IP. Just click outside, you'll get the subnet mask auto-populated. And I'll say click on the desktop icon. Click on command prompt. This little screen talks about what IP I configured. For that, you have to type IPCONFIG. We call it ipconfig and press enter. You can see that IP, what you have configured on your laptop, on your desktop, is 192.168.10.10. Now I will open the another screen for the laptop. Here you go. I'll keep it on the right side and the desktop on my left side, which I already configured. For example, let's see, since I have not configured this device yet, let me go to desktop and open the command prompt. I'll type the same command, IPCONFIG, which is ipconfig. Enter. I don't have any IP set yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on config, click on the interface. Under interface section, click on fast Ethernet. You know what is the IP? The IP is 192.168.10. The first one we set was 10. This will set as 20. Make sure you type the correct IP address and then say done. Now again, come back to your desktop. You already clicked that command, so it is already taking you to this page. Again, I clicked on up arrow. IP config has come again. I just say enter. You can see the new IP, whatever I just set it up. So on my left side, the IP is 192.168.10.20. On the right side, on my left side, it is the desktop, which has the IP of 192.168.10.10. On my right side of the screen, 192.168.10.20, which I set for my laptop. Now let's see whether these guys can communicate to each other. So how do I test whether they can communicate to each other? In the Windows machines, we have a protocol called ping, which actually does a reachability test between two machines. That means whether I can reach to the other machine. So if I get the reply from the other machine, it will send you a reply packet. Let me ping. What should I ping? I'm sitting in the IP called 192.168.10.20. I have to reach out to the other one, which is 192.168.10.10. So I will ping that IP. 192.168.10.10. And you can see the reply. This nice reply, what you see here, this is what I was talking about. So how do you say that, yeah, this reply is something I'm getting from this machine, which is my desktop? I have to just come here. Let me prove you that. Come here on the screen. Let me click on the delete option. No, I don't want to click delete my laptop. Cancel it. Just click here nicely. Click on delete. Just remove this interface. Automatically it will remove that connection. Now the desktop is no more connected to the switch. I will bring the same screen once again, both my desktop and my laptop, and I will do the test again. Ping. Just press the up arrow. You'll get 192.168.10.10. Press enter. Now you can see the reply from the neighbor, which was 192.168.10.10, is telling that request timed out. I'm not able to reach my neighbor. Why? Because my neighbor is disconnected. Whether the neighbor is disconnected, but does that IP exist on that machine? Let me go and test that. I'm taking configuration again. The configuration is there, it is intact, but since cable is not there, I'm not able to reach him. Let me put the connection back. Let me take the cable again, the same straight through cable between them, and connect this on 0/1. Fast forward button here to make the screen come again and test the same ping, and you see the result. You will find the reachability here. We have a nice simulator options here. This, if you click on it, it shows a nice packet complete, like packets being sent from the switch to the end machines and many more. You can see that what are the logs which are coming out. Everything. This simulator is very good. The Cisco, I want to say the Cisco Packet Tracer is a free tool which is available for the like general public. We can all download. I will take a separate session for downloading the Cisco Packet Tracer, and probably that will give you idea how to install this and how to make your own lab. So you can you can look for my other video which I'm going to add how to install Packet Tracer. Following that, you can definitely come again to this video and start doing the same lab what I demonstrated just now. With that, I want to say thank you all for watching. If you have watched till now this video, I request you all to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like my video. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day.